A few months ago, I reviewed the Typhur Sync Oven. Since then, I've continued using it regularly, so I thought it was time for a proper 6-month update. How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. This is not a review, this is a follow-up of the Typhur Sync Oven. I've had this for 6 months, and I think 6 months is a good It's a good amount of time to actually tell you the good and bad about this, you know, my experiences with it, and whether you should buy one or not. I don't know, maybe not, you never know. So yeah, we're going to get into it. I'm going to cook one of my favorite meals in this and, you know, make up your own mind. Yeah, I still use it quite a lot. It's not one of those things I reviewed and then stopped using. It's actually become part of my regular setup, especially for weekday meals. I wouldn't say it's completely changed how I cook, but it's made things more consistent. I find myself reaching for it more when I just want an easy, reliable cook without thinking too much about timings. Mostly simple meals like chicken roast dinners and quick tray bake style food. It's the kind of thing I'll use when I just want everything to cook together without having to manage multiple pans. Yep. Definitely. That's still one of the main reasons I use it, especially with chicken. It takes the guesswork out. Nothing major at all. It's been pretty reliable overall. If anything, it's just become one of those appliances I don't really have to think about, which is usually a good sign. Really well. Chicken comes out juicy and the potatoes actually crisp up nicely. It's that kind of simple meal where you can tell straight away if an oven's doing its job properly. It hasn't completely replaced them, but I probably use it more than I expected. For certain meals, especially tray bakes or roast style food, I'll choose this over my main oven quite often now. Yeah, it's been fairly easy. Like any oven, it needs wiping down, but nothing annoying or difficult. It hasn't turned into one of those appliances that's a pain to maintain. Probably just how often I use it. When I first reviewed it, I thought it might be more of a test it, use it occasionally type product, but it's actually stuck in my routine more than I expected. All right, let's cook some food. What I normally cook in here on a regular basis is something very simple, and that's homemade fries and chicken breast. Delicious. To start, I sliced up a few potatoes, cut into fries, and gave them a drizzle of olive oil. Next, I added the chicken breast to the tray and inserted the temperature probe into the thickest part. From there, I selected the chicken preset, pressed start, and waited for the oven to preheat. Right now, the probe's at 44 degrees. We've got to get our target temp to 165, obviously for chicken. So once that's preheated, we'll get it in. All that was left to do was let the Sync Oven take care of the cooking. Right now, this is cooking, and after 6 months, it's not making any weird noises. It's quite quiet, to be honest. Oh, and ever since they sent me this, I've been using it in my videos, so that should say a lot. The display screen is still one of my favourite features. It's clear, responsive, and makes it easy to select cooking modes, monitor temperatures, and see exactly what's going on during a cook. Did you see how juicy that chicken was? And after 6 months, that probe works flawlessly. This is what I love about the Typhur Sync Oven. Just bung it in there and forget about it. It's reliable. You don't have to worry about your protein. It cooks it for you. Juicy chicken. Well, I didn't buy it. They sent it to me. But you bet your bottom dollar, I would definitely buy this. It's been solid for my cooking. You can use chicken, of course, lamb, beef, pork, and it cooks it for you. You don't have to be a cook. You can just put the probe in and it does it for you. I've got all the Typhurs, I've used all the Typhurs, but the one I keep coming back to is this, the Sync Oven. You can't beat it. And after 6 months, it works like new, the first day I got it. For the way I cook, I'd say yes. If you're doing a lot of simple meals, tray bakes, or want consistent results without much effort, it still makes sense. And should you buy one? Well, it's a big yes from me. In fact, it's a big fat yes from me.
Grab your own Typhur Sync Oven and use code SteveCook for a Prime Day deal you don't want to miss. And all the information is down below.
Thanks, guys.